بسم الله.
AutoCAD MEP for professionals in the map engineering and building system design fields. It streamlines the creation of precise construction documentation for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, while integrating building information modeling workflows. It provides specialized toolsets as mechanical to design HVAC systems such as ductwork, diffusers, and air terminals with automated sizing and routing tools. Electrical to create circuiting, panel schedules, and lighting layouts with built-in electrical calculations tool. Plumbing to model piping systems such as sanitary, stormwater, and gas with industry standard components. Also, you can use AutoCAD MEP for BIM integrations as creating intelligent, data-rich 3D models that include metadata such as pipe size, airflow rates, voltage levels. Collaborating with architects and structural engineers by importing or exporting models in formats like Revit or IFC. And there's a major tool for clash detection to identify hard clashes such as pipes, intersecting walls, and soft clashes such as insufficient maintenance space around equipment early in the design phase, which gives you an ability to resolve conflicts before construction to reduce costly rework. For automated workflows, generate schedules, annotations, and symbols automatically based on model data. Use dynamic blocks and parametric components to accelerate repetitive tasks. And about standards, AutoCAD MEP is preloaded libraries of ASHRI and other industry standard components, which gives you an ability to validate designs against codes and regulations. And for documentation, you can produce detailed two-dimension drawings such as plans, sections, and elevations directly from 3D models, and update drawings automatically when the model changes.